This is the horizontal surface of a submarine cable. The internal conductors and layouts of cables with different functions vary, but regardless of the cable's purpose, external insulation and corrosion protection are the top priorities. The outside of the cable conductor is usually wrapped with a galvanized steel layer, plastic tube, copper sheath, and a small amount of Vaseline to achieve insulation and corrosion protection. It can be used on the seabed for about 25 years. That's why the cable is so thick. When laying the cable, there is also a cable incubator specially used for cable laying. The ship is equipped with a rotatable cable drum. It can load 5,000 tons of cable for seabed laying at any time. Before laying, the engineer will dispatch a remote-controlled underwater robot in advance. The robot will determine the path and seabed environment. The robot will also monitor the whole process during laying. It is worth mentioning that in the Tianhai area, to prevent the cable from being damaged, there is also a special bicycle that can leave the ground. This equipment can bury the cable in the sea while laying. There are nearly 1.5 million kilometers of cables laid in the sea around the world. However, submarine cable repair is still an extremely difficult challenge. Like and follow for more informative videos.